A little rest from that now, and a series of rolls. And you can see that's the Tutor rolling at its full roll rate, and it's quite slow at doing that. At the top of this wing over, another one of those flip manoeuvres. So the aircraft is it's actually a German manufactured aircraft, manufactured by Rob, who originally started life as a glider manufacturer. And we brought this into service in the early 1990s to replace, the early 2000s, to replace the Bulldog, which was the mainstay of RAF flying training. Now the aircraft is used in a variety of roles, not only for elementary flying training, but also the 14 university air squadrons around the country use it. Along with that, we have the Air Cadets, which from the age of just after 13 you can join, and you can actually get to fly in this aircraft. So air experience flying is open to everybody, boys and girls. And if you have any interest in that, you can either check out our website, which if you Google Tutor Display Team, you'll find it at the top of the list there. Also the Air Cadet organisation are here, and if you can try and find our solo display team's marquee, you can come and have a chat with some of the guys who are here today from the University Air Squadron, if you have any interest in going along those lines. So Sean joined the Air Force back in 1988, and he was originally a technician working on Tornado F3s, GR1 and VC-10, before finally commissioning in 1997. Sean went through flying training and initially flew the Jaguar before being posted to the Tornado TR4 at RAF Lost on 12 Squadron. Sean has completed numerous overseas operations, including tours over Iraq, including Operation Resident South and Optelic. And in fact, he earned himself a mentioning dispatches for his missions in the second Gulf War. Sean's been a QFI on the Tucano, which you'll see next. And he was lucky enough to get an exchange tour with the Royal Australian Air Force and flew several different types there, including the CT-4B business trainer, the PC-9, the Hawk 127 and the F-18 Hornet. This is Sean's second year displaying the Tutor, and at the end of the tour he's off to be a simulator instructor over at RAF Coningsby on the Typhoon. Not only does Sean fly aircraft in the Air Force, he's done quite a bit of time as a hang glider pilot, where he started off there at just age 16. And he takes part in numerous championships. And he actually got to be third place in UK National Championships in 2006. So Sean almost at the end of his display now, fighting that wind still and rolling the Tutor through a multiple series of rolls there. Wing over with a flick at the top, hopefully. There you go. And Sean's going to do a last low pass now. He will be looking towards the crowd, so as he comes past, he will be looking and he will be waving to you, so give him a good wave back. And thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes the RAF 2012 Tutor display.